Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'll show you what to do if someone refunded you on Cash App, but it's not showing up. So first of all, open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hello team, I recently received a refund on Cash App, but it's not showing up in my account." The person who sent the refund confirmed that she successfully completed the transaction on their end, and I even received a notification about the refund. However, when I check my Cash App balance and transaction history, there's no record of the refund being credited to my account. I've double-checked my account details and made sure the app is updated to the latest version, but the refund still isn't showing up. I'm not sure what else to do at this point and would appreciate any help you can provide to resolve this issue. Hopefully, the Cash App customer representative will help you regarding the refund issue. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.